Now tell me, what goes better with soul food than soul music, traditional jazz, and my favorite, the low-down blues, baby. This is how Chef Emanuel spends his spare time when I'm not on the road and have a few days at home to relax. This is it. I love it, baby. Okay, now I have a dish. I had some leftover chicken that I prepared a couple days ago. I made a herb roasted chicken, and so I have leftovers, and these are the leftovers. Look at that. All right, so I decided to make a leftover chicken and rice soup. All right, or just leftover chicken and rice. All right, so I've already started to boil my rice. All right, the rice is about 75% done. So now all we want to do is go into our pot with our chicken. All right, put everything in. Everything. Onions, garlic, chicken. Just put the whole thing in. All right, and get that nice juice in there too. All right, so we're going to put that in, and we're going to add celery. All right, add celery in there. And we're also going to add carrots. All right. Okay, so we're just going to mix this around a little bit. Break him down just a little bit like that. All right. Now the chicken has already been cooked, so we're not trying to cook the chicken here. We just want to heat it through, all right, and get the wonderful flavor from the chicken and the stock that was in our container into this dish. So now all we want to do is cover this and simmer, and in about 10 minutes we have the perfect chicken and rice. Chef Emanuel, talk to you in a minute.